Good morning, everyone, and welcome back to Unbound Learners Pre-K. How was your weekend? Did you get to do anything fun? Oh, that's good to hear. Are you ready to start off with our good morning song? Let's make our arms into a big circle out in front of us like this. Now raise that circle up high, stretch on one side, over to the other side, bring that circle back to the middle, and back down in front of us. Now it's time to sing together. Good morning, dear earth. Good morning, dear sun. Good morning, dear rocks and flowers, everyone. Good morning, dear beast and birds in the trees. Good morning to you and good morning to me. Let's jump right into circle time with our calendar and weather chart behind me. So let me get my pointer stick. The first thing that we need to do is start with the date. Now when we say the date, first we say the month. The month is February. You're right, friends, and today is February 1st. So let's take the chip and we'll move it to the number 1. February 1st, and the year is 2021. Look at this, friends. We started a new month today. And because we started a new month, I thought that we could sing the Months of the Year song together. Will you sing it with me if you know the words? It goes like this. January, February, March and April, May and June, July and August, September, October, November, December, 12 months in the year. And today is the first day of the month of February. Now it's time to move on to the Days of the Week song. And because we have 7 days in our week, let's hold up 7 fingers like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. If you know the words, friends, please sing along with me. There are 7 days, there are 7 days, there are 7 days in a week. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Let's go down, down, down here. Does anybody know what the day was yesterday? Yesterday was Sunday. Yesterday was Sunday. So that means that today must be You're right, Monday. Today is Monday. Now if today is Monday, what will tomorrow be? Tomorrow will be Tuesday. But let's go back to today. Will you sing Today is Monday with me? Here we go. Today is Monday, today is Monday, today is Monday all day long. Today is Monday, today is Monday, today is Monday all day long. Back up here, we have the season. Does anybody know what the season is? Winter, you're absolutely right. The season is winter. Now let's move down to the weather. That means that it's time to sing the weather song. If you know the words, please sing along with me. What's the weather? What's the weather? Can you tell? Can you tell? Is the sun shining? Is the rain falling? Can you tell? Can you tell? Friends, what's the weather like where you live? Where I live, the sun is not shining, but the rain isn't falling either. On my picture, I have clouds. It's another cloudy day where I live. And look at my temperature chart. It's on blue, so that means that it's really, really cold where I live. I have a cold and cloudy day outside. All right, friends, because it's a new week, we have a new letter to learn. Does anybody know what sound this letter says? Wow, can you say that a little bit louder? Now let's say that sound together on the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. B, b, b. This letter says b, b, b. And do you know what letter this is called? B. You're right, friends. This is the letter B. And this is a lowercase b. B says b, b, b. Now it's time to guess what's inside of my letter and number box today. Remember, friends, inside of this box, I have something that starts with the letter B. Now I'll give you a couple of clues and you can make a guess if you think you know what it is. Are you ready for your first hint? Okay, this is a type of an animal, and this animal growls. This animal also likes to live in a cave. Now there are all different types of this kind of animal. Do you know what it could be? Let's see what it is. I have a bear. Bear starts with the letter B. Now this is a brown bear or a grizzly bear. Brown bear. Do you hear the b in brown? Brown also starts with the letter B. Brown bear. Now friends, because it's a new week, we also have a new number to learn. Does anybody know what number this is? 9. This is the number 9. And can I show you something really cool about this number? If I flip it upside down, what do I have here? I have a letter. We just learned this letter. This is the letter B. But let's go back to the number. The number 9. Can I see your 9 fingers? First, we hold up 5 fingers, but we need 4 more fingers to make 9. There we go. Let's count our 9 fingers together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 fingers. I wonder what I have inside of the number box today. Gather them all up. Look at that. I have 9 twigs. Twigs are small branches. Now, as I count them, I'm going to lay them across the top of the box. Will you count them with me? Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 twigs. Now this is really exciting because February is Black History Month, which is when we celebrate and recognize African American culture. Now because we started a new month, we'll also begin a new unit on practical life skills. Practical life skills are activities that occur every day in your life. So let's see. Some of you may have had cereal for breakfast. Now pouring the milk into your cereal is an example of practical life skills. And after breakfast, did you wash the bowl and spoon or did you get dressed? Well, both of those are more examples of practical life skills. This week, we'll be discussing how to clean and take care of ourselves. This is called hygiene. Now, after breakfast in the morning and before I go to bed at night, I brush and floss my teeth. Why is it important to brush and floss our teeth? That's right, we want to keep our teeth clean. And in order to do that, we have to remove any plaque that forms on your gums or teeth. Can you say that word with me? Plaque. What is plaque? Well, plaque forms whenever food is left over in your mouth and it mixes with the saliva. I have a song that I like to sing all about brushing my teeth. And if you know the words, make sure you sing along with me. So the first thing that I have to do when I brush my teeth is look in a mirror because I like to see what I'm doing. Now you need your toothbrush. And what do we put on our toothbrush? That's right, toothpaste. So squeeze the toothpaste on. Now it's time to brush. When you wake up in the morning and it's 1:45, You just can't wait to have some fun. You brush your teeth. You brush your teeth. When you wake up in the morning and it's 1:45 and you just don't know what to do, you brush your teeth. You brush your teeth. When you wake up in the morning and it's 2:45 and your mind starts humming, twiddly-dee, you brush your teeth. You brush your teeth. Thanks for singing with me, friends. Are you ready to see what your work tray activity is for the day? Let's go check it out.
For today's work, you will need a toothbrush, a dry erase marker, a sheet protector. If you don't have a sheet protector, you can use a Ziploc baggie instead. And the last thing that you will need is a white piece of paper with the drawing of a tooth. The first thing to do is take the drawing and slip it inside of the sheet protector or the Ziploc baggie, just like this. Now, when you eat a meal, small particles of food, like these, are often left on your gums and your teeth. And that's why it's very important to brush your teeth in order to keep them clean and healthy. So use the toothbrush and scrub away all of the pieces of food and plaque that may cause cavities. Down here, up at the top, scrub, scrub, scrub. Oh, I missed these spots up at the top. There we go. Now the tooth is nice and clean, but look at my toothbrush. It's covered with marker. Now there's no need to throw this toothbrush away. You definitely don't want to use it to brush your teeth, but instead you can reuse this toothbrush for another activity. Maybe an activity like painting. Let's get back to circle time.
Welcome back to Circle Time, friends. When do you brush your teeth? Do you use a mirror to see what you're doing? Thanks for learning with me today. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up. And also find me on outschool.com for live and interactive classes. Now before we go, we have one last song to sing. Wave goodbye like this. And together we'll sing, goodbye friends, goodbye friends, goodbye friends. I'll see you next time. Have a great day everyone, and I'll see you tomorrow.